Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to explain on how to reset your Roblox password if you're locked out of your account. So first, you need to go to the Roblox password reset page, which is roblox.com/login. Now initiate the password reset. Below the login field, click on Forgot Password or Username. Now provide account details. Enter the username, email address, or phone number linked to your Roblox account. And Roblox will send a verification code to the email address that you just provided. Or if you have provided any number, it will also send a verification code over there if it is associated with your account. You can check all the folders, including the spam, in your Gmail application. Check your inbox for this code and enter the verification code right here and reset your password. And then after, you'll be redirected to a page where you can create up a new password, enter a strong, memorable password and confirm it, and save your new password. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.